Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today we have a Kia Optima and we're going to go over how you would replace, or we got to remove this bumper to be able to replace the headlight over here. And so to start with, we have opened the hood. We've got our vehicle on ramps and supported and tires blocked so that the car won't roll off. But to remove the bumper, we're going to start off with going up top here. And we've got these pins to remove. This one has a screwdriver head where you're just going to turn it and it'll back out, and then you'll be able to just pull the pin out. And then we've got the push type. Okay, use a screwdriver, or there you happen to be these some type of special push pin pliers to pull it out. Yeah. Alright. So, just a screwdriver, pull it out, and that's all of those. We also got to take out these number 10 bolts here to be able to get the bumper to pull out. Okay, so we've got that removed and popped up. Other thing is we've got some screws in the wheel bay. So there's one Phillips right here. And one on the other side. Then you got to kind of work it away, and it's got these tabs that lock in here. Just kind of work it around. And just get it to pop out and work your way around. There's also little tabs that are inside this, the headlight that holds it on. And one reason why we have to remove this whole bumper to be able to replace the headlight, because this headlight is integrated to hold up the whole bumper. And as I mentioned before, this wheel well cover is missing as well as the other side, so there would have been some other push pins and stuff to remove through here, but we don't have that. And then there also would be the kind of a skid plate under there too, and we don't have that. But I do have an image that you can look at where there would be 5 bolts that you would remove on the underside of this bumper to be able to get, to be able to remove it and still leave all these other pieces on. But again, we don't have that. So I'm going to continue to go around, work our way around, and popping this free of all the clips that are holding it. On this side, I'm going to go over here on this side. And free them. Same thing. We work this first one on after we undo the screw. And just work our way around. It's all incorporated into this light. And once you got it all free, just pick it up and pull it to remove. So the way you're going to put this back on is you just got to pick it up, bring it up, and there's some this air thing should be out of the way. There's some little guide pins that you'll see here that it sits on and guides it in, and then you want to put your cleaner piece back in. And once that's in, you got two number 10 bolts that go right through there. Then it's just a matter of lining up the push pins in the holes, pushing them in. And then, you could just pour it, but you're going to want to take your, make sure you got a little lip here where the headlight, and that's where this will situate under it. You just got to push it up under the light there and clip it into your clip on the side here. And then there's a screw over there, just a regular Phillips. So there's just a regular Phillips right here from the fender. We'll do the same thing on this side. And that's how you would install a bumper. There are bolts and things under that you would replace or install, and there would be other push pins that you would install in your wheel well. This vehicle doesn't happen to have the wheel wells and or the skid plate under it, so that's essentially how it's attached for the now. And that's how you would attach your bumper, front bumper, on a Kia Optima of 2016. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.